Let's take a look at this example. We have to find the derivative of the following function. Y is equal to 2x to the third power. Again, we're supposed to use the formula for the derivative of a constant times a power of x. So what I'm supposed to do first? Simply write dy over dx is equal derivative of 2x to the third power over dx, where 2 is my constant. According to the formula, constant has to go first, right? So I have 2 times, right, n, where n is my exponent, right? So this is 3. And I have x, right? I have x and power n minus 1. So I have 3 minus 1. So I can write that dy over dx is equal 2 times 3 is equal 6, x 3 minus 1 is equal 2. And this is the solution to my problem.